Welcome. In this video series, we're going to be covering the Matrix MLS, and I'll be going pretty quick through it. Trying to keep these videos as short as possible and to cover as much as possible. So if I'm going too fast, just pause, repeat it on your screen until you understand what's going on, and then continue. So in the first video, we'll do a quick overview of the Matrix system, basically so you can understand all the tools that you have and where to find them. So this is going to be your home page, and you have the search tab here. You have Market Watch, which shows you current market statistics, which you can customize whether you want it for today, 24 hours, 3 days, 7 days, and what type of properties you wanted to show. Then you have your listings, which include any active listings you have, any active listings in your office, or any listings you can edit. You then have your recent contacts, recent portal visitors, which I'll go into contacts and portals later. Concierge mode, which also has to do with the searches that you set up, which we'll cover in the next video, is going to be on the search. Your external links is what gives you access to tools and websites that you commonly have to use. We'll cover some of them as well in later videos. Additional is basically extra widgets that you can just drag them from here to your home page and rearrange them. And keep in mind that your home screen might look a little bit different when you first log into the Matrix system. It's because you can actually rearrange it. So this is how I like mine, but if you want to change something, you can just basically grab any of those widgets and rearrange them like this, however you like. So then the next tab that you have is your search tab, and that's where you do the actual property search, as well as save automatic searches, and we'll cover that in the next video. Stats, my matrix, here you can change your settings, your signature, your profile, as well as set up your IDX site, and I'll cover that in later videos. We'll cover also Realist, which is another tool in IMAP. You have links here, which is basically also additional links. Some of them are listed on the home page, and there's additional ones over here, but we'll cover the ones that you'll need to use. You have finance, where you have calculators. You have sellers estimate net proceeds and buyers closing cost calculator. Input is where you would either add a new listing or edit an existing listing. Obviously it has to be your own listing, you cannot edit somebody else's listing. Then you have market reports, so we'll cover that later as well. Help is where you can find training videos and information on how to use the system, as well as other important things. And then mobile, we'll switch to mobile view, which you cannot really do much here. You can do basic searches, basic information, but if you really need to get things done, you'll need to use the full site, and you can actually access the full site on mobile. It's gonna be it might be a little tough to use it on a very small screen, but it's usable. I've done it, and that's basically it. That's just want to give you a general overview, and then next videos we're gonna dive into searches, then advanced searches, how to save searches, how to work with customers, what is the concierge mode, the portal. I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll dive into some more advanced tools that the Matrix has to offer. So thank you for watching.
Succeed with Access USA Realty.